So nakaistorya sa imong kinabuhi na imo lang gikalimtan, no? So siguro wala lang kay paki, kailan mo lagi imo lang gikalimtan, di ba? So muna siya kung istorya karon nga episode.
Hi, this is Owen, and this is Imoha Podcast.
So let's talk about your life, and let's talk about time, let's talk about friends, and sa dili ta magsugod atong paminawon kung kinsa atong sponsors. So the main story that we will be talking about is your past, no? So we all know that we have different listeners here, so we have different past and experiences as an individual, no? So this story may not be so accurate, no, but please give me a try and make a small narrative of your story. If there's something that is correct and make a good hit or maybe a reflection sa imong memory, then please share this to a friend. Well, we all know that the story of your life is really so unique for sure. It's really a different one, no? And we have different stories as an individual. How I wish I can narrate that story, the exact story. So, roughly, mo ni siya mga istorya sa kinabuhi, no? That when you were in grade school, and for sure, you have friends, you know, na kay mga suod ng mga amigo, and then makaingon kag nindot kinmog mga memories ato niya. And then until now, may hinumduman gyapon nimo siya, no? So mag-abot ninyong mga kaubuang kay mo lagi magasanabot mo na certain things, no? Magdagdagan mo dinhi, kiat diri, kiat dito, katawa diri, katawa dito, di ba? But on a certain aspect of your life, nagay changes sa imong kinabuhi, no? Maybe namalhin mo og balay, maybe naabot na kag high school, no? So nakakita na kag mga bago na mga friends. So basically nakalimtan na nimo to imong mga karaan na mga friends sa grade school, or maybe naka-wonder kag asa na ka sila, no? But apparently na kay bagong mga friends, no? Nagkulig na mo in a certain activities, no? Lingaw na kay kasi imong kinabuhi, or you have a good relationship sa ilaha, or you have that shared sentiments, especially in terms of family life, in terms of student life, di ba? In the same sense that you also share the same thoughts, no? Nananamoy times na mga nagsugod-sugod na magkilak-kilak sa inyong mga uyab ato panahon na, di ba? So nagsugod-sugod na sad mo ka ng suwail sa inyong mga parents ato, no? Kaya makaingon lagi mo sa inyong kaugalingon siguro ba na, kaya na nako. I need my liberty, I need my freedom aning panahon na, di ba? Because naabot na ko high school. And nana mo yung mga inyuhang mga decision making sa inyong kinabuhi nga inyuhan lang yung buhatan. So, atong mga panahon na naman yung mga secrets, and kamo lang yun ang mga nakabalo ato ng mga secrets, no? But basically, nakalimtan na nimo to yung mga friends nimo sa grade school because you have also another circle of friends pag-abot nimo sa high school, di ba? But not totally makalimtan nimo sila, case because siguro makaabot sa point nimo ba na makaingon ka na, kumusta na kato sila akong mga friends sa grade school, no? Asa na kato sila? So, another changes in your life na nagkabuwag-buwag na sad mo sa imong mga bagong mga friends kay mo lagi, maabot na mo college. Ang ubang mga friends nimo sa high school, dili na mo makita pag-abot mo sa college, di ba? Ang uban siguro ni ato naglaing lugar, maybe ni atog Manila, maybe ni atog Cebu or Mindanao, or just change into a bigger city siguro. Or maybe ang uban siguro nag-abroad na tungod kay gidala sila mga parents kay tungod mga rich kids sila, di ba? So gikuha sila hang mga parents para maabto sila sa abroad mag-eskwela, di ba? And or maybe siguro lain lang gid mo ka ng school sa college ninyong gikuan. It's because kailangan gid mo magtuon, di ba? Ikaw sa tao, no, na nakipangandoy sa kinabuhi na magtuon sa kagmaayo sa college, no, and then makisama ka sa mga other college students is because it's a new environment again. So all you need to do is just to make any connections, diba? And you need to have that students relationship. And of course, you go different subjects and makita-kita mo sa usara ka areas sa school. So basically, those are the things na imong mahinumduman when you were in your college. So you shared also the same sentiments about the tuition fees, or maybe same about sa mga nakapasar o mga nahagbong na mga grades, di ba? So, basically, your friends, you're talking about all those things during the college time, di ba? And napato mga hassle sa mga enrollments, no? And every semester. And over the years in yung college, you know, some of your friends from first semester, no? Wala na ning balik pag second semester. Maybe ang uban yung change of course, o ang uban yung balihin nag-eskwelahan, or ang uban good kay wala na gining eskwela kung baga ning drop out na gid sa college, diba? And then after that nang human mo college, diba? So nakakita na ka na lain gid ang mga kinabuhi sa tao, diba? So mag-iyahay na mo pangitag trabaho, and then iyahay na pud mo paningkamon sa kinabuhi, no. So makaingon ka lain na sa nang imuhang mga nakailan na mga tao, no. And again, you have another circle of friends, no? So, from grade school, na naka imong circle of friends, na lahi na po ang imong high school of circle of friends, pag-abot na mo college, lahi na po, and again, pag-abot na mo panabaho, is lahi-lahi na po og mga circle of friends, no? And you always think na, wow, kadaghan sa akong mga friends, oy. from grade school, from college, and now nanako sa trabaho, dagan na sa kay kong mga kaila, diba? So, ngayon kag, yeah, it's really a good one, diba? I can go on more on that story, no, but I really want to stop there is because I think you got already the point, no, that every time you change things or every time there's only a timeline for your circle of friends, lahi yung time ang mga friends, diba? So this story may not be so accurate story of your life, or maybe because you have a really unique story, no, but in some point we have a common situations, diba? That's the cycle of life in terms of career path, in terms of school life, in terms of friends, siguro na you have this kind of life before, and every time na mubalhin ka or every time you have another chapter of your life, you always have a different friends. And nagiuban pod nga, nagiusa ka tao siguro na all along it's still your friend, and that becomes your best friend kumbaga, na until now kamo paghihapon magilanay paghihapon mo, diba? So in the course of your life, for sure you have a lot of friends, no, but in some point you are losing them. So makaingon kag asa na mabugid sila, diba? Night time siguro na makaingon kag I remember the boy but I don't remember the feelings, or I remember the girl but I don't remember the feelings, and kabalo na mo ana. And that's really a popular statement in one of these songs in the local na to nga sa OPM na to, diba? So siguro na kay mga suod pod sa una ba, no, na until now wala nakakabalo kung asa na ka sila, no? Dahil na makakuan ka ba na wala na karon tungod kay man na naman ang panahon nila, no? So basically nagaday panahon po ng mga friends, diba? And not all the friends actually na panahon, but na some friends actually until now napagyapon sa imuhang kaugalingon. But siguro katong mga friends mo mga nakailan mo sa una na makita siguro mo makaingon mo ba na uy kinsa gito, uy kuan maka, diba? So makalimot na ka kung sa mga situations ninyo before, diba? But actually in real life gid, no, we always losing people, diba? Even ikaw siguro mismo na let go nila, or maybe sila mo let go nimo, or maybe gituyo lang gid sa panahon na magkabuwag-buwag na mo, no? And we're always wondering ba, no, kung naunsa na ka sila, no? So well, actually, in this episode, I remember my best friend before, my childhood sweetheart, and a lot of group mates na ko, a lot of friends from abroad, a lot from my exes that I remember, no? And daghan kog mga nahinduman ani nga episode, and maybe for sure siguro ikaw pod nga napog kay mahinduman ani as you go along in this episode, no? And mo siya akong point, no, na along the way there's always be a seasonal friends. I could say nga at this point of my life, these are my friends, but after all, in the next chapter, siguro pag abot na nimo senior citizen ninyo, dili na nimo sila mga kaila, diba? Which is actually, those are the things that is always have a chapter in our life, diba, no? So as I end this episode, they said actually that time is really the most valuable thing in life. Well, I could say like yes, partly yes, partly no. Or I could say yes, it's a valuable thing. It's because you cannot turn back the time. Ang dili sad nimo mailisan ang time, di ba? Ang dili sad nato na makayong kag ibalik lang atong mga gahapon, di ba? Or dili nato mabalik atong mga butang na bata pa ta, or unsa tong mga butang na katong para sa atong mga anak na dili nato mabalik atong panahon na gamay pa atong mga anak, di ba? So those are the things. Yes, makayong ko nga time is really valuable thing, but I could say also no. Why? Because maybe some people na you really don't make memories, so what's the use of your time, diba? You don't recall the past already, or maybe na nakaikuha na dili mo na siya important ang time, then yes, it's not really the valuable thing sa imuha, diba? And you don't make use of your time anyway, so what's the sense na valuable gid ang time, diba? Or maybe people really don't matter time if they don't have any, because their time is up already. So murag inana gid ang iyang mahitabo na wala na gid siya time, it's because of that one, diba? So muna siya atong kuan na natay mga kuan sa no na katusang na yung mga sakit na they call that one as the walking time bomb, na pila na lang tuyok sa panahon, diba? Mamatay na lang sila, no? But in reality actually we are all walking like a time bomb, diba? Pila na lang kuan, wala ta kabalo kung ano sa takwaon sa, diba? I think that's really the episode. So that's really quick one, and I will end this episode with a question na siguro, no, kung kinsa magud ang inyong nahinduman ng mga friends na atong during your grade school, or maybe in your high school pag-abot og college, or maybe katong na nakasapanabaho, no, until now wala na may kontak kay, or maybe nagkailhanay pa ba mo sa usag-usa, no? So I don't know, comment their names or their title in the comment section. So I don't know if maybe and just celebrate your friendship sa ilaha, no, na you're still thinking about them. So Yeah, and I think muna siya ending sa atong episode about time and friends and all. So if you want more, please follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Spotify, Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, Teacher, Pinterest, and buymeacoffee.com. Alright, so wala na siya, no? And ayun yung kalimti, basta magluto, maglimpyo, manghugas, manglaba, magkaon, maginusara. Kaya na podcast para sa Imoha. I'll see you in the next episode, and I always love you. Stay awesome, guys. Bye-bye.